This dog is being trained as a canine. The owner and the dog have developed the perfect understanding. The dog runs, slides, and comes at a complete halt, exactly when the owner tells it to. It's like they are one mind. The owner has been training the dog for some time now. It listens closely for the owner's commands. Watch how he trains him to fetch. The dog's entire focus is only on the owner, not on the log. It doesn't run to fetch unless the owner says so. The German Shepherd's training is remarkable. It impresses everyone with its hurdle jumps and routine. The dog never moves away from the owner. What a remarkable training it has received.